guys, welcome this morning. Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on my previous video, a lot of you guys requested that I show you how I pamper my skin at home, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to show you how I pamper my skin. Sometimes I love to do that, probably not all the time. Sometimes it's once in a month. It's something I enjoy doing. Again, skincare product needed time to penetrate, but because we are always in a hurry, you just apply and just rush out. But this time we're gonna take our time to let the skincare penetrate. And the thing I love to do first is to wash my face, and after washing my face I go with this precision brush. I go with it to take scrub, is exfoliate the skin as well as remove dates. The brush said that you can choose anyone as you wish, so it comes with this straight and another one on here. So I love to use this one. I'm gonna use this one today. This is like a silicone head. Is a gentle exfoliate silicone, very soft, very soft. I don't want to use this. This is soft as well, but it's a little bit harsh on the skin, so I recommend this brush. And this is my not sponsored. Okay, so let's quickly go into that. So I'm going to just kind of gently brush around it, just gently. Okay guys, I'm done cleaning. Extended into my neck area. So the next I'm gonna exfoliate my skin. So I'm just gonna use two drops because I don't want to use it much. Scrub. Then if I need more, I'm gonna go for more. Wow, okay, so I'm down. I just love to press to the skin this way. I'm gonna dispense a little amount here. Like, that's exactly what I love. I don't like dipping to the skin products. Let's go start to apply this everywhere on my skin. So guys, I'm gonna massage to this, just a gentle massage. Next, I'm gonna be using pudding treatments. These are treatment, and as well these are treatments, and I'm gonna be using this is retinol and this is more of bok oil, and these are two different. This is retinol, this is a milder form of retinol. So I'm gonna mix these two. I love to mix them together and apply on my skin. So first I use the lighter one. This is lighter than the other, so I put the lighter one first. So just warm it up, and so I'm like pushing it back to the skin, pushing it in my skin. Okay, and so I've also made a video on the skincare products. If you want to know more about them, it's on my channel. You can watch them. So I'm gonna add this other one. This is heavier, and I'm gonna add it to the skin. Just tap in. And also extend to my neck area. So next skincare is hydration. I'm gonna hydrate the skin. I'm gonna moisturize, and I use like 2 moisturizers. One let it stay for like exactly 2 minutes. And weather is sunny and harsh, so make sure you hydrate your face and apply your sun protection before going out, because this weather is going to freaking dry your skin. And so, and I'm not forgetting helps to hydrate and moisturize the lips as well. So I'm just gonna put it on. So that's it. So and I'm gonna give it 4 drops or 3 drops. Yeah, 3. I recommend this. I recommend this sun protection, and every skincare I use on this tutorial were all bought by me. No, I wasn't given to me to the sponsored. Pushing this in. Okay, sun protection is very important, guys. If you're not using sun protection, you need it. Even when you are home, the weather this time is very harsh. If you live in Africa, there's most of the skincare. I've made a video on them and I've reviewed the skincare products I'm using today. You can as well watch it on my channel.